everyone, today we are going to explore something super important in maths, the idea of a whole and its part. Let's break it down. Cut out a circle from a cardboard. Next, cut a circular frame about 3 cm. Wrap the circular frame with color paper. I already have one circular frame, so I'm using it for the project. You can use to stick this frame on circular base with double-side tape, hot glue or glue. Now cut out 8 circles of different color from chart paper. Divide the circles into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 equal parts. If you want to learn how to divide circle into equal parts, watch my previous video. After dividing the circle into equal parts, mark the parts. I have used printouts and pasted to show the part. You can write with the help of a marker pen. This way I have made 8 circles with different parts. 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 6 equal parts, 7 equal parts and 8 equal parts. Now with the help of scissors, carefully cut the equal parts. 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 6 equal parts, 7 equal parts, 8 equal parts. Let's start right here. This red circle represents one whole. Nothing is missing, nothing is divided. Just one complete whole thing. Now what happens when we split the whole into 2 equal parts? Each piece is called a half. Even though we now have 2 pieces, they still fit together perfectly to make the original whole. When we divide the whole into 3 equal parts, each piece is called 1/3. This shaded piece is 1 out of 3 equal parts or 1/3. 3/3 fit together to make one whole. Let's keep going. If we divide a whole into 4 equal pieces, we get quarters. 4 quarters may be smaller pieces, but together they are still equal whole. Now, let's divide the whole into 5 equal parts. All 5/5 together still makes the same one whole. When the whole is divided into 6 equal parts, each part is called 1/6. This is 1 out of 6 equal pieces. 6 equal parts fit perfectly back into one whole. If we divide the whole into 7 equal parts, each piece is called 1/7. Even though the pieces are smaller, 7 parts still makes one whole. Now we are breaking the circle into even smaller pieces, 8 parts. Even though each piece is smaller, all 8 of them still fit together to make exact same whole. When a whole is divided into equal parts, the size of the pieces change, but the value of the whole does not. Fractions are all about equal parts of a whole, different numbers yet same whole. Did you notice something important? The more parts we divide the whole into, the smaller each pieces become. So, whether it is halves, quarters, or eighths, all these parts belong to the same whole. Keep practicing, and fraction will start to make sense. See you in next video.
Bye.